Dear student, I am Pradeep Ingre, TGT Maths, Kendriya Vidyalaya Ordnance Factory, Ambernath, Mumbai region. Today I am taking chapter 8, Maths Rational Number. Before taking rational number, first of all, let us recall the knowledge of numbers. Numbers जो हमने क्लास 8 तक पढ़ा है वो फिर से रिकॉल कर लेते थे. Let us recall the numbers. नंबर्स कैसे बने हैं क्लास 8 तक उसका जो भी नॉलेज मिला है, लेट अस रिकॉल इट. नाउ यू नो दैट numbers are made of digits. Numbers are made of digits. What are the digits? Digits are the only symbol, and digits are the single numerical symbol. Means suppose say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Means these are the single symbols. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. These are the single symbols. So digits are the symbols in mathematics. First attempt to find the digits is made by the Sumerian or Babylonian. These are the first inventor of digits. Now after that there comes the Roman numbers. Actually, when Greece are removed from the Roman and Roman Empire take possession of the Greek, actually there is no development of the mathematics in the Roman system, Roman Empire period. But though it may be, there are attempts made by the Romans, that is Roman numbers. Actually this Roman number is supposed to be originated by the Italian or the Roman shepherds. These Roman shepherds or Italian Daltonian shepherds taking their ships for the in the forest, and when they want to count, they first of all find this Roman number just by drawing marks on the river or by using tally sticks. Roman used this tally stick. This tally stick has got two different types of function. First of all, this tally stick used for counting, and second, on the tally stick there are some written work is there. So this tally stick used for the as a memory object. Some of the Roman numerals are, these are the Roman numerals. In Roman numeral, this I is stand for this one, V stand for this 5, H stand for 10, L stand for 50, C stand for 100, D stand for 500, and M stand for 1/3. Just in addition to Roman numeral, there is in addition to Roman numeral and the tally stick, early counting devices are these type of bony structures are there. After Roman numerals, there is Greek numerals are there. Greek numerals and Roman numerals are found in the same area. Alpha, beta, gamma, these are the Greek numerals. In this second numeral is beta. There is interesting story regarding the beta. Beta के बारे में एक बहुत interesting story है. This beta is related with Eratosthenes. आप 6th क्लास में सेवा एरिस्टोस्थेनिस पढ़ चुके हो. ये एरिस्टोस्थेनिस अलेक्जेंड्रिया ऑफ इजिप्ट के जमाने पीरियड में ये मैथमेटिशियन बॉर्न हुआ. दिस मैथमेटिशियन एरिस्टोस्थेनिस डेवलप one method to find the prime numbers. That is called sieve of Eratosthenes. जिससे एरिस्टोस्थेनिस खुद ये अच्छा ज्योग्राफिशियन था, मैथमेटिशियन था, एस्ट्रोनॉमर था. Let us see sieve of Eratosthenes. In sieve of Eratosthenes, what this Eratosthenes had done, he first of all removed this 1, because he knows that 1 has got only one factor. He removed 1. After that, he removes all factors of 2 and retain only 2. Later on, he removes all factors of 3, and later on he removes all factors of 5. Later on he removes all factors of 7. Likewise, if all the factors of this removed, then remaining is the table of the prime. Eratosthenes is called in life as a beta. Beta is the second digit of the Greek numbers, because he always stood second in position in every part of life, but in final life period, he is standing in first position, that is alpha position. His main achievement is sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes is related with the prime number and composite number. Now you let us see what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers having only two factors. Prime numbers are those numbers having two factors. Let us see 7. One example. 7 has got 1 and 7 as a factor, because 7 is only divisible by 1 and 7. So let us see definition of prime numbers. Prime number are those numbers having only two factors. Composite numbers are those numbers having more than two factors. Prime number and composite number. You know that prime numbers have got only two factors and composite number has got more than two factors. Let us see this factor table. This number 1 has got only one factor. In natural number 1 has got only one factor, and in whole number system there is 0 has got only one factor, that is 0 itself. 2, 3, these 2 and 3 both have got two factors. 2 has got factor 1 and 2, and 3 has got factor 1 and 3. You know that factors means that particular number that is divisible by that another number. This 4 has got three factors, 1, 2 and 4. 5 has got only two factors. 6 has got 4 factors. 7 has got 2 factors, and this 8, 9, 10 have got more than 2 factors. 11 has got only 2 factors. Now in table there is clear-cut classification. This 1 is unique number, has got only one factor. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 have got exactly 2 factors, and this 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 have got more than 2 factors. Accordingly, this table is classified into 3 type of numbers. One is number that has got 1 factors, that is neither composite nor prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, these have got exactly 2 factors. These are the prime numbers. And 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, these have got more than 2 factors. These more than 2 factors are called the composite.